So SIAM is a Society for Industrial and Applied Mathematics, and so it has activity group, and one of the activity groups is in algebraic geometry. So it says SIAM activity group for algebraic geometry, but it's really for applied algebraic geometry because SIAM is already Society for Industrial and Applied Math. And you can become a member, and for students there are like different ways to become members for free. For example, every full member of SIAM can recommend to students. So if you know someone who is a member of SIAM, they can recommend you. I don't know if your institution is like has like some charter or something, then you can also become a free member. Otherwise, there is a fee for students. But yeah, so I can't say more about the central SIAM, but I'm involved with the activity group in algebraic geometry, where I was secretary before, and now I'm vice chair. And so what we do, we have every month this newsletter that's sent out where you get information about the new conferences. But for this, you need to be a member to actually get this information. But if you're not a member, there are still like lots of possibilities to get the information. So one is this SIAM algebraic geometry group activity page, or a wiki page. For example, you can see all the upcoming events. I don't know if it's all, but let's say we try to keep this list up to date, like that are coming this and next year. So and you can see all the past events. There is also there is a webinar every month, so you can find the information over here, and everyone's welcome to attend the webinar, but you have to sign up, and here you can find the information how to sign up. So really excellent speakers. And also about jobs. So I would say the jobs page is not necessarily very up to date all the time because the posts comes, but you can see there is faculty positions, postdoc positions, PhD positions. And also about the jobs, I would say there is also this Facebook group on SIAM activity group of algebraic geometry. For this, you also don't have to be a member. So even if you're not a member, you can sign up for the Facebook group. And there I would say the information about jobs is most up to date. So if you're looking for postdoc positions or PhD positions, then that might be one place to look. But I would say for conferences, maybe this wiki page is the best because it really has the list of all the conferences, or like let's say most of the conferences in applied algebraic geometry. I think that was all. Yeah, and so we have, and there is a conference, official conference every second year. So there was one last year online. And not this summer, but next summer there will be another one. So this is really this biggest event of this applied algebraic geometry community. Okay, so that was all. Thank you. I don't want to take more of hands.
Yeah, anyone has any question from the online or from IBA about SIAM? Okay, if this is the case, okay, this is really good that anyone can follow the SIAM activity, which are being did you already explain the mega activities of the SIAM algebraic geometry group?
Mega?
Big algebraic geometry gathering of.
Yeah, so it's the
meetings.
The meeting every 2 years.
Every 2 years. So next meeting is when?
In 2023 summer, but the location is not fixed yet. So
yeah,
there's still discussion.
So 2023 announcement of the SIAM algebraic geometry meeting is still underway. Yeah, the announcement is underway. Okay, so there are PhD positions, postdoc positions, and all these opportunities are available. And particularly if someone is interested to see the applied side of algebra, so this is good to follow this particular page where you can find a lot of resources, and there are books too, which are.
Yeah, you can also see it like somewhere. I think books by members. So you can look, but this is like not comprehensive list. Let's say books in the field, but it's the books by the people who are members of the activity.
So let's thank Kubjas. We are privileged and honored to have her here to explain the SIAM algebraic, to promote SIAM algebraic geometric group among the youngsters. So thank you, Kaie, for
Thank you.
I have one question. Yeah. So can you be more specific about the term applied algebraic geometry? What does it mean?
It means very many things. So like it's it could be, I think, for example, tropical geometry that you heard about last week could be also considered applied algebraic geometry. But it's like algebraic vision, phylogenetic algebraic geometry, algebraic statistics, let's say algebraic methods in optimization. So sums of squares, semi-definite optimization. So it doesn't only mean, let's say, applications to other field, but it also like, let's say, combinatorial algebraic geometry, and so it really is like considered quite widely. And maybe one thing that I should also mention, there is this SIAM journal on algebraic geometry. So if you want to get a better idea, you know, what applied algebraic geometry means, you can take a look at the most recent papers of this journal. So Bernd Sturmfeld was for 4 years the editor-in-chief, and now from this year, Jan Dreisma from Bern is the new editor-in-chief of the journal. Yeah, and if you have any questions, just like talk to me over the break or during the discussion session. I'm happy to tell you more.
Okay, if this is the case, let's thank Kaie for all these explanations. Thank you very much. And now we have a scheduled tutorial by Dr. Shaheen Nazir.